Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to make Google Chrome your default browser in Samsung Galaxy S23 FE. So before starting the video, don't forget to subscribe the channel and also press the bell icon. So first of all, open settings. Now in settings, scroll down and here click on apps. Now in apps, click on choose default apps and here click on browser app to set default browser app. Now to make the Google Chrome your default browser app, tap on Chrome and go back. Now Google Chrome is your default browser app. So that's how you can make the Google Chrome your default browser app in Samsung Galaxy S23 FE. I hope you liked the video. Thanks for watching.